This is how I create these AI UGC ads, which are completely printing on Meta right now. If you want to make dropshipping work in 2026, you need to have mastered AI UGC ads. Watch until the end if you really want to succeed with e-commerce.
So first off, when you want to generate your ads, the first thing you will need is a character you want to clone for AI UGC. So I just went with this woman. You're just going to copy her. Then you just bring her into Claude. You will also need an account at Polaris UGC. The other thing you will need is this AI UGC ads SOP. It has all the prompts you need for this generation to work. So what you do is you just work along the SOP file. So to start, we just copy this first prompt here, and then we bring that into Claude 2. Once you copied in your image and your prompt, you're just going to hit enter. By the way, I forgot something. You will need to name your product or core promise. So I'm just going to say this ad will be about, and that's it. Just hit enter and it will run. Okay, so sometimes Claude refuses to actually clone the character because he thinks that you are doing something nefarious with it. So in this case, you're just going to say, okay, yeah, really, like make it realistic creator just like it. And then it will automatically use this as a reference picture every single time. Okay, then you will see Claude automatically runs this inside, so you have the image you need. I actually forgot to tell you, to generate these images directly in the Claude chat, you will need one thing, and that's this. Go to polarisugc.com, create an account, and then go to the bottom left here, where it says connect with Claude. Then you just press connect with Claude, copy the URL, then you go into Claude, and press on this little plus icon here, which is blocked by the bar. Plus icon, and then you go to connectors, add connector, add custom connector. You're gonna name this Polaris, and then you just add the URL, and that's it. Claude can do then everything what I showcase here. So, as you can see, we have the UGC creator here. If you don't like it, just reprompt it with Claude. I'm actually quite happy with mine, so we're gonna proceed to step 2 in the SOP file. So, in step 2, we will now actually generate the script. So what you're going to do here is copy this long prompt, and then you're just gonna put it into Claude right here, and then once again just let it run.
Okay, so then you can see you get the full voiceover and you get the shot list. Within the shot list, you can already see here you need to input your brand name. So I'm just gonna say my brand name is Nature's Nutrition. Here we have that. And then we're going to go back to the SOP file and paste the animate prompt directly behind this, and also attach a product picture into the Claude chat. So we have this, my brand name is Nature's Nutrition, and then we just attach this so it generates everything, and yeah, that's it. So we're going to hit enter again and it will create some start frames and generate everything for us. Okay, so as you can see, it will start generating all the start frames within this chat. Claude will then ask you which video model you want, and I'm just going to go with Kling here because it's the default model. So as you can see, it just starts generating here every single clip one after the other. Okay, so then you can see all of the clips have generated here, and you can just bring them over to CapCut, and then I'm going to show you the finished product in a second. So now I will just add every single thing into CapCut and then cut it. Okay, so after just putting all the clips into CapCut and aligning them, and then just simply doing a few little cuts, you get the finished ad, which I'm going to show you in a second. And yeah, it's really easy. One little note, to make the quality of the ad a little bit better, I added some picture overlays. So I just went back into Claude and said, hey, by the way, give me for the script one more image of her before her acne cleared up, basically like it looks native out of the camera roll, and then another for the gut skin axis. I didn't like the first one, so I just reprompted directly in here, looked at this one, okay, that's what I want, and then I just put them in here. Here's the native image, and then here's the gut skin axis ones. So yeah, really easy, really fast process, and I'm just gonna show you the finished ad now.
Girls with acne, your skin isn't broken. Your gut is. You wake up, there's a new one on your chin. You pile on makeup that just clogs it worse. You skip photos. Cleansers, creams, spot treatments, all fixing the wrong thing. Here's what's really going on. Your gut gets inflamed. Toxins push out through your pores. That's your acne. Every single time. Ginger and turmeric calm the gut way down. So the fire stops and the skin clears. Doctors call this the gut-skin axis. It's real. Thousands of girls cleared up, going straight to the gut. That's exactly what Nature's Nutrition does. 2 little gummies a day, ginger and turmeric. You wake up, skin's calm, No new bumps. You take the selfie with zero filter. Tap the link. Try it for 30 days. Fix the gut. The face follows.
Okay, so as you can see, this was really simple, just a really quick tutorial. And if you actually want a discount for Polaris, I have the discount Diego50, with which you actually can get 50% off your first month. So yeah, if you are wanting to buy Polaris, right now is the perfect time.